One minute, we had all of March 2020 booked for installations and all of these amazing projects. The next minute, they were gone. I'm Julia. I'm the owner of 2 flower shops, one in Soho and one in Brooklyn. And I'm here to tell you about our experience with COVID and how we've managed to make it through. We experienced 80% loss of all of our events within a drop of a dime. In a 2-block radius of my store, there are 40 storefronts that have closed. You talk to yourself. You tell yourself, like, you have to make it through this. Get your coffee, put on some rap music, and just do the things. I got our nursery license so that we could remain open. We learned the hard way, by trial and error, that online sales was going to be the way to go. Mother's Day was the first shot in the arm for us. We were sold out of everything. It was crazy. By 3 o'clock, we were sitting on the steps and all the flower arrangements were delivered, and we were like, I guess we can go home now. Started to seriously think about Valentine's Day and how Valentine's Day could be the thing that keeps this business alive. So we went in with the mentality that we were gonna get as many orders as humanly possible. The goal was gonna be 1,000 orders. Vevalentine's Day was an all hands on deck situation. We had interviewed 23 different people to come in to help us day up. We had extra packers. We had pinpointed leaders on every individual place. So Maria was like in charge of customer service, and then who was gonna be a lead designer in Brooklyn, who was gonna be a lead designer in Soho. My boyfriend was out driving a van, okay? And we had 23 walkers, all delivering flower arrangements in addition to 5 vans. We rented the stores that were out of business and vacant on our block, and we used them as storage units so that we didn't have an overwhelming amount of people coming in the shop, creating an unsafe environment. When the delivery people came, they would go there, be assigned a new delivery, and out the door. Every single person that was here, every single person that put their heart and soul into making these gorgeous arrangements, to make people smile, to celebrate love, to bring people together, to make the city smile. I mean, it really was something spectacular to see. We did 1,100 orders for Valentine's Day. I'm happy to let you know. The silver lining of COVID is that we were able to, as a team, focus on online sales and retail in a way that we had never been able to do before. We ended up increasing our online sales from being 5 or 6 deliveries a day to upwards of 30 and 35 deliveries per day on a very consistent basis. For a company that was doing a fraction of retail, to have done so well in retail is truly a blessing. I can't stress enough, thank you so much for all of our customers who have supported us during this time. For all my fellow entrepreneurs and business owners and leaders in general that have had to make difficult choices, I feel for you, and I've been there. So this is just like a little sliver of a flower shop in New York telling you our story so that you know you're not alone, we're in this together, and we will get through it.